Now you can use this brush here under brushes, and it's called color replacement tool. That works though. Let's say I create a layer on top. What you have to do is either merge your layers together. If and that's the best way to do it. So if I create a layer on top here, and what I can do is use a shortcut. It's Shift Command Option E, or it's Shift Control Option E. So if you hit Shift Control Option, or on a PC, Shift Control Alt, it in that empty layer, it took all my layers and put it into one layer. So I can hide all these other layers, and I basically have the whole composition in this one layer. And then you can go into this color replacement brush, go here, and you pick your color you want to replace. Here, I'll pick a contrasting color, so I'm picking green. And now as I paint, I'm replacing the color throughout.
Mm.
So it's this brush, it's with the brush tool, it's called a color replacement brush, but you have to have color already.
Right.
Here, I'm just changing the hue. So if you go up here, you can select hue and you can change it to color. And now I'm changing the color, and it's much, much brighter.
Oh.
And what you can do now, it's based on the colors that exist below. So if I go into tolerance and I lower that tolerance, just like I do with the magic wand tool, and then I paint, yeah, it's too low. Find the right. And let me change it to non discontiguous. So now I'm painting,
Oh.
but now I'm only painting based on this tolerance.